Assalamu alaikum, hi there. Welcome to Mehadi Arif Therapeutic English Mate, and we are here to talk about the last part of sentence making patterns. And hopefully, we need to introduce ourselves.
I am Adib.
Oh no, Adib, it's my turn.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm the senior and you are the junior.
Okay, you go first.
Yes, I'm sure. Okay, guys, I'm Mehadi Arif, the founder and director of Mate, and he is.
I am Adib.
Of course you are. But keep in mind that you have already taken much preparation for answering my questions today. Yes? Are you ready for answering my questions?
I'm prepared.
Yes, you should. It is actually sentence making patterns last part.
Yes.
And now I'm gonna ask you some questions in Bengali and you're supposed to answer the questions in English.
I'm ready.
So let me start right now. আমি পড়তে যাচ্ছি.
I'm about to read.
আমি চাই তুমি পড়ো.
I want you to read.
আমি পড়তে বাধ্য.
I'm bound to read.
আমি পড়ার জন্য প্রস্তুত.
I'm ready to read.
আমার জন্য পড়াটা কঠিন.
It's hard for me to read.
চলো পড়ি.
Let's read.
আমাকে পড়তে দাও.
Let me read.
চলো পড়া শুরু করি.
Let's start reading.
আমি না পড়ে পারি না.
I cannot but read.
Do you know it has another structure?
Yes.
What is that?
I cannot help reading.
That's good. তুমি কি পড়তে ইচ্ছুক?
Would you like to read?
আমি পড়ার কথাই ভাবছি.
I'm thinking of studying.
এখন তোমার পড়ার পালা.
It's your turn to read.
আমি মনে করি আমার পড়া উচিত.
I think that I should read.
আমি এখানে পড়তে এসেছি.
I'm here to read.
দয়া করে পড়া বন্ধ করো.
Please stop reading.
আমি পড়ার জন্য মরিয়া হয়ে আছি.
I'm dying to read.
আমি পড়ার জন্য অধীর আগ্রহে অপেক্ষা করছি.
I'm looking forward to reading.
আমি বইটি পড়ে অনেক মজা পাচ্ছি.
I'm having a lot of fun reading the book.
আমি চাই তুমি নিয়মিত পড়ো.
I want you to read regularly.
ইস, আমি যদি পড়তে পারতাম.
I wish I could read.
সে কিভাবে পড়বে?
How come he will read?
আমার কেন জানি মনে হয় আমার পড়া উচিত.
I tend to think that I should read.
একটি বই পড়া ভালো.
It's better to read a book.
So guys, I think that you have enjoyed a lot as it was a very fantastic video, and if you really like it, just like, comment and share. At last but not least, I have a suggestion for you, and what is that? You'll have to go through all the sentence structures, but before going there you need to memorize so many verbs and you need to know how you can use those verbs following the structures. That's all for today. Now it is time to bid you goodbye. Bye bye.
Bye.